Well, we're in the kitchen, and you're my husband. Hi, Paul. Hi, Amy. You forgot this. You said you would text me. How can you text me?
Yes, exactly. You brought this to me.
Yeah. Well, I thought I brought this down because I know you get play from. So I was just in the neighborhood.
Stop.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Please, I'm going to pour you a glass.
Okay.
We're just finishing up.
Thank you so much.
welcome.
Thank you again for making dinner. I can't believe
Ishika.
We love having you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Davis on Saturday?
Yes, we both went to school there. That's where we met.
Oh, you went there. I've been there. Drew's dad played some gigs, and all I ever think about when I think of Davis is Mexican restaurant. Yes. Is that still there?
It's incredible. The best margaritas. It's amazing.
with a little bit of salt.
You should come with us.
Just come on. We're going to take the kids out.
Yes.
So just come. It'll be great.
It'll be great.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ನೀನು? ಹಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ? ಯಾಕಳು?